Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are discussing about how to represent a binary trees. So with the help of arrays as well as linked list, we can represent the binary trees, right? So in this session, we are mainly concentrating on binary tree traversing techniques. Binary tree traversing techniques. So generally, before going to this concept, graph traversing techniques are already discussed in previous sessions, right? So what are the graph traversing techniques? DFS, breadth first search and depth first search. So what are the binary tree traversing techniques? Pre-order, post-order, in-order. What is the meaning of traversing? To visit each and every node in a tree. That operation is nothing but traversing operation, right? So generally, there are three types of binary tree traversing operations: pre-order, post-order, in-order. We are discussing one by one, right? So what is the first technique? Pre-order. Pre-order. So here, in this traversing mechanism, first of all, we can visit the root node. We can visit the root node. So in this order, root node is visited first, and then left subtree, and then traverse left subtree in pre-order. After visiting left subtree in pre-order, and then traverse right subtree in pre-order. So simply, first of all, we are visiting the root node, then we can visit the left child, then visiting the right child. For suppose tree contains left subtree, right subtree, in such cases compulsory we are visiting a root, then traversing left subtree. In the tree we can apply the pre-order, then we can traverse right subtree in pre-order. So that is the actual procedure for pre-order traversing, right? So then here I am taking one simple example: A, B, C. So this is our binary tree. So what is the pre-order traversing? So first of all, we are visiting the root node. What is the root node? A. So here for this tree, there are no subtrees for left child as well as right child. So that's why there is no need to apply left subtree in pre-order, right subtree in pre-order. Directly we are writing left child. So this is the root, this is the left child, this is the right child. So B, C. So this is the pre-order for this binary tree. For suppose tree contains subtrees, then we are applying the pre-order procedure for left subtree as well as right subtree, right? So here I am taking one more example. So here I am taking one more example. Here I am taking A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So in this example, there are several subtrees for root node, right? So what is the pre-order traversing for this binary tree? Right? So first of all, we can visit the root node. So this is the root. So first of all, we can visit the root node. right? So then we can visit the left subtree in pre-order format. So what is the left subtree for this one? This is the left subtree. So in left subtree, what is the left in left subtree? What is the root? B, right? So again, B contains, this is the left child, right child. Again, for this left child, one more subtree is there, right? So here, first of all, we are visiting the root node, then we can apply pre-order procedure for left subtree. So there are two left subtrees are there. So here, what is the leftmost child for this node? So B is visited. So for this two children nodes are there. So what is the children nodes? D, E. Again D contains H children node. So this is the one more subtree, right? So what is the root? D. For this subtree, what is the root node? D. So that's why we can visit first D. For this subtree, what is the root node? B. So that's why here I am visiting B. Then D. Then here for H there are no children. So that's why H is visited, right? So here for this entire subtree, what is the right child? E. E is visited. Then we can consider right subtree. For this right subtree, what is the root node? C. So C is visited. For C, left child is there, right child is there. So here right child again contains one more subtree. Right? So here C is visited. After visiting C, then what is the leftmost node for this subtree? F. So F is visited. So after completion of this visiting, for this subtree, what is the root node? G. So G is visited. So here after completion of G, then what is the left subtree for this one? I, J. So again J contains one more node, right? So here I is visited. For this subtree, what is the root node? J. So J does not contains any left child, so that's why we are not visiting. K is visited. So this is the pre-order. So here we can apply the pre-order procedure for left child and right child. So by dividing the subtrees, right? So A, B, D, H, E, C, F, G, I, J, K. So this is the pre-order format for this binary tree, right? So here, after writing result, here I am applying one simple trick to check whether the answer is correct or not. So here I am applying one simple trick to check whether the answer is correct or not. So here traversing operation starts from root node. So that's why first time visited nodes are written first, right? What is the first time visiting node? Root. So here traversing starts from this one, right? So after visiting root A, then we are visiting B, right? Then we are visiting D, then we are visiting H, right? So this visiting is completed, this visiting is completed, this visiting is completed, this visiting is completed. Again we are visiting H. So H is already visited, so there is no need to return again H. So again D is visited, so D is already visited. So first time visited nodes are written first, right? So then B is visited. So B is already visited, though there is no need to write this one. E. So E is not visited. This is the first time visiting. So that's why here I am writing E. So E is visited. So here again E is visited. So here E is already written. So there is no need to write this one. So again B is visited. So B is already traversing. There is no need to write written. Right. So again A is visited. So A is already written in output. There is no need to return. Right. Again C is visited. So for this traversing, first time C is visited. Right. So that's why here I am writing C. Again F is visited. So first time visiting. So that's why here I am writing F. Again F is visited. There is no need to return. Again C is visited. There is no need to return. Again G is visited. So G is the first time visiting. So that's why here I am writing G. Right. So again I is visited. So I is the first time visiting. So that's why here I am writing I. So after completion of this visiting, I again visited. There is no need to return. Again G is visited. So G is already visited. So there is no need to return. Again, so here traversing comes from J. So J is the first time visiting. So that's why here I am writing J. So after completion of this one, K is visited. So K is first time visited. So that's why here I am writing K. Again K is visited. So K is already visiting. So there is no need to return. Again J is visited. So J is already visited. G is already visited. C is already visited. A is already visited. So this is the simple trick. So first time visiting nodes are written first. Right? So this is the simple trick to check whether the answer is correct or not. So here let us check. Oh, both are same. Right? So this is the pre-order. So based on this example, I am writing the algorithm for pre-order mechanism. So pre-order traversing. So first of all, for each and every algorithm, compulsory we are writing 4 major elements. One is input, output, data structure, steps. So for this operation, I am taking one variable pointer. So pointer is a variable which represents the root of a binary tree. Then I am writing the output. So what is the output? All the nodes are visited using pre-order. This is our output. What is the data structure? So here visiting operation compulsory, we can move one node to another node. So for moving operation compulsory, we can hold the address of the next node, then only we can move one node to another node. For that purpose, we are using linked list concept, right? So here, what is the data structure? Linear data structure, linked list, or binary trees using linked list. So simply here I am writing binary trees can be represented with the help of linked list. So based on address only we can traversing one node to another node. So that's why here I am taking linked list concept, not array, right? So here then I am writing steps. So first of all, root stores in pointer variable, right? So here if pointer not equal to null, if pointer not equal to if pointer not equal to null, then first of all visit pointer. So that is root is visited, right? So initially root value is set to be pointer, na? So here I am writing pointer is equal to root. Pointer is equal to root. So if pointer not equal to null, so root is not empty. So root is not empty, we can perform the visit operation. So root is empty, we are not performing visiting operation. So that's why if pointer not equal to null, which means root not equal to null, visit first root. So visit pointer. So pointer shows the root. So that's why visit pointer, then visit root 2. So root value holds the pointer variable. So pointer to left children. So left children. Then after completion of left children visiting, pointer to right children. So pointer to right children. Then I am closing and if stop. And if stop. So these are the steps. First of all, we can store the root value with the help of pointer variable. Then we are checking the condition. If the condition is true, then visit the root, then visit the left child, then visit the right child. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So this is about pre-order traversing technique. So what is the next traversing technique? Post-order traversing technique. Post-order traversing technique. Post-order traversing technique. So here post-order traversing technique. Right. So in this traversing mechanism, first of all, we can visit the left child, right child, then root is visited. So this is the general procedure. So in this traversing, travels left subtree in post order and then traverse right subtree in post order and then visit root node. So this is the order, right? So here based on this definition I am taking one binary tree A, B, C. So this is simple binary tree. So what is the post order for this binary tree? So this is root, this is left, this is right child. So first of all we can visit left. So that is B, then right is visited, C, root is visited. Yeah. So this is the post order for this binary tree, right? So here this tree does not contain any subtrees. Once tree contains subtrees, we can apply the post order recursively for subtrees also, right? So here I am taking one more example for post order. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z. So here I am taking A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K. Fine. Right. So this is the root. So what is the post order traversing for this binary tree? So first of all we can visit the left subtree. So this tree contains subtrees, right? So first of all we are dividing subtrees. So again it contains left subtree. So this is also one subtree. This is also one subtree. This is also one subtree. Right? So these are the subtrees. So here first of all starts from left child. So left subtree in post order format, right? So first of all here, what is the left subtree for this one? For root B is the left subtree, right? So for B again one more subtree is there. One more subtree is there. So that is DH. So this subtree contains, what is the left child? H, right? So here first of all we can visit H, right? So left for this subtree, this is the left root. For this subtree, this is the root, this is the left. Leftmost children are visited first. For this subtree, this is the right one, right? So here I am visiting H. So after H, for this subtree D, so D is visited, right? So then for this subtree we can visit E, so right. For this subtree right node is visited, right? So H, D, E, then for this subtree this is the root, so root is visited. So leftmost childs are visited, then right childs are visited, then root is visited for this left subtree, right? So again then we can visit right subtree. For right subtree, what is the left child? F. So F is visited first. F is visited first. Then what is the next subtree? This is the next subtree, right? For this next subtree, so F is visited, then I is visited. For this subtree, what is the leftmost node? I. So I is visited. So after completion of I visiting, what is the next root for this subtree? G. So I. So for this subtree, what is the rightmost? It does not contains any left child, so that's why here we are not performing visiting operation. What is the left child? K.